Making some sausage gravy breakfast bowls this morning. I got hash browns cooking over here, sausage here. We're gonna make some eggs back there. And when the sausage gets done, we're gonna make the gravy in here. I added some butter in here in the pan I cooked the sausage in because there weren't a lot of sausage drippings. Now I'll put some flour. Stir it in with the butter. Since I made sausage patties, I took those out. I did chop a few of them up, but some people want sausage patties. Some like it either way, scrambled up or patties, so I did both. Now we'll put some milk. Just a little bit at a time until we get it where we want it. And since I'm doing these gravy biscuit bowls, I don't need as much gravy as, you know, if I were just doing gravy biscuits. Oh, I need to turn my heat back up to medium, a little bit below medium. I'll go ahead and start melting that butter for the eggs. And the only other thing we're doing with the gravy is we'll put a little bit of salt and pepper in here. Once it thickens up for us, we'll add that in. We've got grass cutting going on out here. Titus is on the lawnmower. Me and Jonah are about to be cleaning the chicken pen. The good thing about being on chicken pen duty is you're in the shade. And you can also run over and jump on the trampoline if you want to. Or sit on the chicken porch and eat a popsicle. That's what Jonah's doing. Two more eggs. Well, that didn't go as planned. Thank you, sir. It's moving in day for the baby chicks. I mean, they've already been in here, but they've been in their little pen. But they're not gonna be outside by themselves yet. We're just gonna close them up in here, and then when everybody else is ready to go in later, we'll come open the door for them. No, stay in, stay in. Hey.
We should get some grass seed and bring it up here. Plant a bunch of nice grass up here.
So we're going to take our mayonnaise and put you about 3 spoons. Kind of do this to taste, whatever you like, but a decent amount of black pepper. Same thing with salt. I got me some paprika here. Celery salt. These are red, crushed red pepper flakes, a little bit of chili, and some minced onion. I'm going to take a little bit of lime, squeeze about a half a lime, mix it up. What you want to do is take you just a little bit of yellow mustard right across the top. You just coat it well. Tonight I'm going to be using some Stubbs barbecue sauce. This is just the original. We will not put the barbecue sauce on until about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes before they're ready to come off. Folks, this is basically what you got left. That's delicious. Y'all need to do that. There's something about that grilling it. Puts a little bit of a smoke to it, but also crisps those chips up even a little more.
Extra crispy, yeah.
That's great.